lunch I'm gonna be making Maggie. So basically this is just not the normal Maggie that you normally eat. When we last went to India, we went to Bareilly, where my mother and father-in-law stayed actually. And the neighbor got the Maggie and it was so delicious. It was like a stir-fried Maggie with veggies like onion, potato, carrot and peas. And it was just so delicious, and I've been craving that from last night, so I'm gonna make that for lunch today. So I'll show you how I make it. And yeah, for this recipe you need some onion, potatoes, carrot, and I'm gonna take out frozen peas. And I have a different pot for boiling the Maggie and one pot where I'm gonna cook the veggies. Added some potatoes. Now I'm gonna add some peas. This much is good. And then I have shredded the carrot over here. You want to shred it because that's gonna give a very nice texture to it. So yeah. Alright, so while I was cooking the veggie mixture, I only added salt and black pepper to it. And now my water is boiling over there for the noodles to boil, and this is almost ready. So it's in a low heat, as you can see. And I'll show you the next step. I am gonna add this curry powder a little bit because this tastes exactly like the Maggi masala, and 4 of these Maggi masalas into the veggie mixture. And that's it. Maggi is ready. Just add the Maggi, mix it all up, and serve it. Alright guys, it's almost dinner time. We are making dinner. For dinner we are making pitla bhakri and pethe wale aloo. So basically I've never eaten pitla bhakri. It's going to be my first time. So Mayank is making here. And we have the baby potatoes ready for the potato recipe. And let me show you. We actually went grocery shopping. That's why we are a little late making dinner. But let me show you all the chicken that we got. So we were basically out of all kind of chicken. So we got some variety. We have chicken breast, we have chicken thigh, and we have chicken wings that I normally buy in bulk, and then I put them in the bags, Ziploc bags like this, and then freeze them. So it's just convenient for me. Every time I want to take out for 2 people, I just take out 1 chicken breast, and then chicken wings I just kept 2 in 1. But I can take out how much ever I want. And then for thighs I also did 2 in 1 bag. So yeah. Oh, and also we have this fish that I am gonna make very soon. Pomfret. And we have some pork belly and ground lamb in here. Yes, what do you want, mister?
Alright guys, so today's meal is ready. We have pitla, bhakri, pithe ke aloo, theja, and onion. It really took us a long time. It's almost 9 o'clock. It took an hour and a half. And Tanya is super hungry because she normally eats at 7:30. So I'm gonna go enjoy this meal, and we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye.